Welcome back. There's nothing like a hearty iftar with family during the holy month of Ramadan. Well, let's take some tips from Chef Tarun to make our iftars not just delicious but also healthy and revitalizing.
Hello everyone, welcome to Pinch of Health. When we think of Ramadan, we think of heavy food, fritters, but today I'm going to teach you a healthy version of fritters, which is going to be zucchini and potato fritters. Let's check out the ingredients. We have zucchini, potato, gram flour, salt, black pepper, turmeric and olive oil. We'll take the zucchini, we'll cut into half. So we'll take bowl here, grater, and we are going to grate it. So zucchini is a summer vegetable, and you know it's quite light and it has a cooling effect as well. So I'm using it as a main ingredient in my fritters. So there we go. We're gonna add some salt here, just a pinch. And I'm going to mix it, and now I'm going to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm using 2 whole potatoes. So potatoes are done, and now I'm going to rinse it under cold water. So now we'll take our zucchini back. So I'm going to squeeze it to remove all the excess water. So this is done. We'll take mixing bowl. We will add our zucchini, potatoes, one teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, gram flour, around 2 tablespoons, and we are going to mix it. So I've added gram flour in this mixture, and I'm not adding any water here because zucchini and potato has enough content of water here. So I guess this is done. So you can see the texture and consistency, it has to be like this. Nice and smooth. Let's cook them. Around 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and carefully just take around 1 tablespoon and spread it evenly on the pan. Just make sure while cooking it all the edges are sealed. Then you will get the perfect shape. Look at the beautiful color. Let's take it out on the paper. Let's plate. So your zucchini and potato fritters are ready for your iftar table. Garnish it with fresh coriander. So I'm pairing it up with coriander and mint chutney. You can also have with ketchup or yogurt. Let's begin. After breaking a fast, we need something to energize ourselves. I'm going to make a drink which is coffee cardamom latte. I'll show you the ingredients. We have low-fat milk, honey, cardamom powder, and we have brewed coffee. So we'll start with boiling the milk. We'll take around 1.5 cup of milk. We'll add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, one teaspoon of honey, so we'll simmer it for 10 minutes and let the flavors absorb. So our milk is ready. Let's pour it. I have here brewed coffee. So our nice warm frothy cardamom latte is ready to go. So here's our fritters, warm cardamom latte. I'm all set for iftar. What about you? Let's take a quick recap. For zucchini and potato fritters, zucchini cut into half, grate it. Add pinch of salt, mix it and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now take 2 whole peeled potatoes, grate them and rinse them under cold water. Take grated zucchini and squeeze it with both hands and remove excess water. Now take mixing bowl, add grated zucchini, grated potato, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, gram flour 2 tablespoons and mix it. Now take non-stick pan, add 2 tablespoons olive oil, take 1 tablespoon of fritter mixture and spread it evenly on pan. Once it's cooked, flip the fritters to cook on the other side until golden brown color. Take out fritters on absorbent paper. For the plating, arrange them evenly and serve with mint and coriander chutney. For drinks, coffee cardamom latte. Start with 1.5 cup of milk in saucepan. Boil it. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of honey. Simmer it for 10 minutes and let the flavors mix. Once milk is boiled completely, let it cool down. For serving, pour milk into glass, fill it up until half. Now pour brewed coffee and serve warm. That's all for today. I'll see you next week. Keep watching Z Connect. Ramadan Kareem and take care.